Attorney DeCecco has served in the Peace Corps and has been Sheboygan County's District Attorney since 2003. His topic is the Bill of Rights, still crazy after all these years. I give to you the Honorable Joe DeCecco. Thank you very much.
Some of the colonies looked at the Constitution and said, this is nice, but we want to guarantee some rights to people. And so they began arguing over amendments to the Constitution. And they finally agreed on 10. And the first 10 amendments are what we call the Bill of Rights. They contain every single crucial constitutional right that we possess today. Every single one. Okay, here's the second amendment. This is all it says. A well-regulated religion, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. That's what it says. That's it. Anyone reading that, you or I, oh, it's predicated on a well-regulated militia. That's the reason for the Second Amendment. And the reason that was done is that from the Revolutionary War up through the Civil War, there was no U.S. standing army. There was no federal army. The key to that is, until the Civil War, the government did not provide firearms to their soldiers. They had to provide either the government, the state provided it, or they got their own. So they had to bring the firearms when they were called up for duty. And it's clear, I think, to any sane person reading this, is that this was really tied to the state militia. The Patriot Act, without warrants, allowed the government to listen to your phone calls, read your emails, without a warrant. Why? It's really scary. And we've had these fear-mongers throughout our history. Our constitutional rights are the central fabric and core of this country and system of government. They belong to us. To us. We can't give them away. We can't let government say to us, or anyone say to us, well, our county is really bad. We have to, no, you don't. We've caught horrendous criminals, done horrendous things, and we've prosecuted them without violating their constitutional rights. We do it every day. And there's no reason we can't do it in today's world.
I would like to know what your feelings are regarding reconvening and having a new constitutional convention.
My answer to that would be, what the hell for? What are they going to do? I don't trust these guys today. When they want to do a new constitutional convention, that makes me scared about what they're going to do to this. I don't know why they want to do it. I don't see, all we have to do is enforce these rights that have been around for 300 years. That's all we have to do. And to fight back against those who would take them away from us, even to our government, even if the courts making crazy decisions. That's the only answer I could come. I don't trust people like Trump and other guys getting in on a constitutional convention. You know, the political atmosphere today for politicians to get involved in this. You know, these guys back there, they were very learned men. They had fought in the Revolutionary War. They were well educated. They were well, most of them spoke Latin and Greek. Some of these guys can barely speak English, these candidates, you know what I'm saying? I don't mean because of their ethnicity, it's just that you can't even understand what they're saying. Those are the guys who want to put in charge of our constitutional rights? No thanks.